Do you know what Chevrolet stands for? Cracked heads, every valve rattles, oil leaks every time. Which is why we are doing engine swap number 5 on this. It blew a head gasket on the passenger side a while back, so I threw some head gaskets in it, but it blew again. Engine has 460,000 miles on it. And is it bad when your exhaust is dripping coolant? Yeah, I thought so. So I'm going to pluck this engine out and swap in another one with less miles. Pretty sure that's not good. While the coolant's draining, I'll work on taking off the exhaust. Exhaust is removed and coolant is drained. So now I'm going to start pulling radiator and wiring harness. Well, the engine is ready to be plucked out now. There's nothing holding it in except gravity. So here's a trick for working on your junk square bodies, such as this highly prized unit. Unbolt your hood springs. That allows you to flip the hood back further. I have a ratchet strap up there, hooks to the back of the frame, so it's holding it up, and I can get in here now and pluck the engine out. So I absolutely despise engine hoists, so I just use my crane on my truck. So much easier. The new engine is now sitting in the truck, so it's just a matter of hooking it all back up now. Everything's back together. So now let's see if this thing roars to life. I haven't put any coolant in it yet, just in case I have to pull it apart for some stupid reason. The moment of truth. Gotta cycle the key a couple times to prime the fuel system. Come on, you know you want it. Yeah. Listen to that baby purr. I did a quick oil change and filled up the radiator. So let's run it now. Still has a little bit of a lifter tick. I think they just have to fill up with some oil as it runs. It's run for about half an hour now, and no more lifter ticks. I think we're good to go. Well, I think it's pretty happy now. About time. It's like a competition to see how many times I can rebuild this thing. This was rebuild number 5. I'm hoping this is the last time I have to do an engine swap, but you never know. It is the beater truck. Next thing I want to do is get the bed on it, so it'll look halfway decent. I have a step side I'm going to cut down for it. All that steam is just condensation in the exhaust. It's not dripping out like it was before with the blown head gasket. So until then, I'll catch you later.